Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase product feedback with Yelp step by step clearly. To increase product feedback with Yelp, begin by claiming your business listing on the Yelp platform. Visit the Yelp for Business Owners website and search for your business. If your business is already listed, select Claim This Business to gain access. If not, click the Add Your Business button to create a new listing. Fill out all necessary information, including business name, address, phone number, and website. Ensure your business category accurately reflects what you offer. After claiming or creating your listing, enhance it with appealing images of your products. Include high-quality photos that showcase your items in a professional light. Next, write a clear and engaging business description that covers your unique selling points. Make it informative, while keeping it concise, so potential customers are drawn in. Promote your Yelp listing on other platforms, such as social media and your website. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews directly on your Yelp page. Consider creating in-store prompts, such as signs or QR codes, to remind customers to review. Respond to existing reviews promptly, whether they are positive or negative. Engaging with customer feedback shows that you value their opinions. Utilize Yelp's business tools to offer promotions or special discounts to incentivize reviews. Explore Yelp's advertising options to increase visibility and reach more potential customers. Finally, regularly monitor your Yelp page for new reviews and analytics. Adjust your strategies based on customer feedback to continually enhance your offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.